What's up, guys? It is a very special day today. Today is the Minnesota fishing opener. It's May 9th, 2020. And I'm out here with my dad on the kayaks, looking to find some trout. It was a hard choice to go for bass or trout, or even pike today, but I figured the cold water right on opener, this would be probably our best chance. So we got all day. It's like 8 o'clock, 8:30. And we're gonna see if we can find some lake trout. See what we can do. Hopefully we get on some good ones, but stay tuned and enjoy. Yeah, but this is a good spot. There's some rocks on side imaging. I bet this is a great smallmouth spot. All right, update. My dad and I have been checking some of these contours, and throughout, we did some trolling. Didn't get any hits. It was like 10 minutes of trolling. I did some casting with a lipless, nothing. I threw out a jackal re-range jerkbait. I was thinking maybe some Lakers will eat jerkbaits. They'll come up for it if they're pushing bait around just like bass. On like my third cast, I just twitched it twice, paused it, twitched again, felt weird, hit it again, and definitely had a fish pull on it. So I just hit him hard, reeled, and it just snapped. Had to be a pike. There are pike in this lake, but I'm bummed. But at least I got a bite. But got the gloves on now. It's chilly out here, so Dad and I are gonna really commit to trolling. We're gonna cover some water and see what we can do. So let's try and get on them. Jigging with an underspin. Well, I didn't get a chance to tell you yet, but it's snowing. Dad and I have caught no fish. We're just sitting here in the sun. It's raining and snowing. My hands are freezing. I'm gonna eat some food, but we gotta warm up. Storm, or this thing's maybe supposed to pass in like an hour, so maybe we'll just pedal back to the launch and hang out. But rough day. I haven't seen anyone catch anything. We haven't been around any of the boats. Like, we don't even know where everyone else is because there's a lot of people at the launch. So yeah, we're just gonna try and stay warm here. Hypothermia is a serious risk at this point, so just gonna try and stay warm. Let's hope we catch just something today. Anything. Well guys, we're taking off. It's still snowing out here and everything is completely soaked. But we're finally warm, so no hypothermia here, hopefully no nerve damage in my very cold fingers, but yeah, we're gonna take off. You know, safe to say this has been an enlightening experience. This snow and rain wasn't supposed to come till 4 o'clock. And it started at 11:45. So, you know, we had to take what we were dealt, and no fish today. Kind of a bummer. I was really stoked, hoping to kick the season off with a bang. But you live and you learn. Sometimes that's how life goes. And yeah, hopefully, you know, at least you enjoyed the snow. And yeah. Maybe next weekend we'll do something sweet. Catch a couple big bass, we'll see. But thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for hopefully some fish catches, some kayak fishing, and some good times on the water. See ya.